Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be analyzing the entire cryptocurrency market capitalization and looking at the fact that we're currently bouncing right up into this longer term resistance level around $1.2 trillion. So if you guys enjoy the content, please do consider leaving a like and subscribing. Also consider checking out our sponsors and partners over at ftx.us. You can sign up in the link in the description below, and through my referral code SNOWYCRYPTO you can get a 5% discount on your exchange fees. It's a great exchange. I do highly recommend them. All right, so let's look here at the entire cryptocurrency market capitalization. You can see currently we're right around this level, around $1.1 trillion, with the highs right at this resistance level, again at $1.2 trillion. And essentially, this was the level that we held as support on 3 separate occasions back in 2021. So we had 3 key retests of this zone around $1.2 trillion. Each test holding as support. This was the level that we turned around, reversed to new all-time highs. And then we also tested this as support back here in May with about 4 weekly candles holding this level and then stalling on this big leg down. Following the break of this level, we continued to capitulate down to these lows around 760 billion. And you can see we're coming up right into that level, and we could potentially be flipping this from longer term support into some sort of rejection or resistance point. And I'd watch out in the next few weeks if we're starting to move back down, and in the event we do reject off this level, I would look to the 200 SMA as our logical level of support. Now this is the area that we had our current lows off of as our longer term bottom. You can see on these weekly candles we did have some wicks going below it, but from the candle closing perspective we did in fact hold this as support. So currently that is at around $880 billion, and if I zoom out here, this is actually where historically during the bear markets we've seen some sort of longer term bottom being formed. So again, we can see back here in December of 2018 we had one test of this. We did have a weekly candle closing below it, but again on the next weekly candle close we came right back above it. And then you can see actually a few months later, we did come back down and then retested it a few weeks later on at a higher valuation. So if we were to do something similar again, that would mean potentially a correction back down, flipping this into resistance, and maybe we have, say, a higher low or a double bottom being formed somewhere around this region. Now again, that's just if this prior cycle were to sort of repeat the same structure in the pattern. Obviously that doesn't have to happen, but I'm just speculating out right here, considering that, this was the level that we held as support for several months on multiple retests, so I would expect it would be difficult for the entire market capitalization to reclaim this on its very first attempt. Not saying it can't happen, but I think the probability is more so to the downside, where we could potentially be seeing some sort of correction, and this is the level that I would once again look out for as some sort of longer term support. So I hope you guys did enjoy the content and the analysis. Once again, check out our sponsors in the link in the description below. Huge shout out to ftx.us, great exchange. I do recommend them. As always, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.